This video, I will show you how to use Google Translate on Android. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install Google Translate. If you have not downloaded before, exit from here. For every Android user, just go ahead and make sure you open up Play Store right here. Open up Play Store. Then after you open up Play Store, click on search and go ahead and type in Google Translate and hit on search. That's going to take you right here. So at the time of making this video, 4 billion plus. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and make sure you download and install Google Translate on your Android phone. After a successful download and install, hit on open. And it's going to take you to this interface right here. There are so many ways by which you can use Google Translate. One of the first easy way is that you can type whatever question you can type whatever text right here and it automatically translates to your chosen language. You can as well paste as the case may be. Like for instance, if you want to type in English language, click on here, choose your primary language right here. So under this section here, you can type in any of this language, while it automatically translates to your chosen language. So here, I'm going to type in English, and then here, I'm going to translate into another language right here. So I'm going to click on Chinese tradition. So here we have different language right here. All you have to do is to simply download a language that you want to use in your translation. So I want to simply type in English while it's going to translate into Spanish. So I'm going to select Spanish. I've already downloaded Spanish language. So go ahead and click on here. You can say hello. So when you say hello, it automatically translates into Spanish language right here. And one great thing here is that you can simply click on here. This allows you to listen to the translation by voice. Hola. So we can come back here and say, hello, my friend. How are you doing? Just like so. And then let's come back right here. Click on here and then simply listen.
Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás?
Just like so. Now here we can click on here to copy the text, or better still click on this three dots right here. This allows us to search on Google, and then we can also fill it in full screen. One great thing here in Google Translate is that this particular hello as a word, you can scroll down right here and get more detail about it right here. So you can see, the more you scroll down, the more you see what it means and how they use it in Spanish language. Just like so. So this is for the text as the case may be. You can also paste text right here. Simply click on paste right here, and whatever you copy is going to be pasted in right here, just like so. And then you can go back right here. You can change from different language as the case may be. This is one of the easiest way to use Google Translate on Android. The next thing you can do here, you can as well use the camera section right here. So if you click on camera section, this allows you to translate anything you see on picture. You can live translate, or better still, you can upload picture. If you want to click on picture right here to translate a picture, select whatever screenshot or picture you want to translate. Boom, it translates to your chosen language. You can click on here again, and I'm going to the language here is Chinese, so I'm going to choose Chinese tradition, while it's going to translate to Spanish, just like so. You can see it right here. Okay, I can decide to change from Spanish and change to English language, just like so. It automatically translates to English language. So I can slide this way, select all to copy the text, or better still, I can listen, just like so. So I can click on send translate to home, select all. If I click on select all right here, this will allow me to select all the text, and I can easily click on copy to the copy text, or listen, or click on these three dots here and copy to computer as the case may be. This is another great way to use Google Translate in your Android phone, just like so. Then you can also use it as a conversation. For that, click on here to start a conversation with someone, just like what you see right here. So here, choose your primary language, while it's going to translate to whatever language you might think. Then click on start right here. So when you talk, give the mic to somebody to give you a response, and it automatically translate. Let's say, for instance, I want to speak English language right here. I want it to be translated into Chinese tradition right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure you click on here and then click on start right here. Pause, and then boom, you have the result right here. Now the person that you want them to have a conversation to understand what you are saying, you can easily click on here and move, and you can easily give them to read the translation just like so.
你真的了解我现在说的吗？所以你可以看到，当我说话时，它会自动给我一个中文的实时翻译。
Just like so. Then this is one of the great way you can also use Google Translate. The very last one is how best you can use Google Translate in Chrome browser. Open up Chrome browser. Whatever website you are browsing on Chrome, click on the new tab. Let's say, for instance, you are trying to search for a particular website that was written in other language. Like, for instance, click enter in your Chrome browser on Android phone. Hit on continue. Now here we go. You can see this particular website here is in Chinese right here. Okay, next thing we want to do here is to simply click on here to close this tab. So how can we use Google Translate to translate from this particular language to another English language or whatever language of our choice? Click on these three dots from the top. Then you want to make sure you simply scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on translate. Automatically, it's going to translate to your chosen language. You can click on here and switch to another language. Click on more language, and then you have other languages right here. Like, for instance, I can decide to translate it to Arabic. In a few seconds, it translates everything to Arabic. You can go on and on, switch from different language on the web with your Google Translate. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.